Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Munoz Intake, and today we got our Halloween special. We are going to be doing the watermelon challenge, except that we're going to be doing it with a pumpkin. And I know you guys have seen this video before. But I know you've never seen it with a pumpkin, so let's get to it. Alright, so we are going to start putting the rubber bands on the pumpkin. It is a pretty big pumpkin, so I think this is going to take teamwork. So you grab that side, and yeah. Alright, this is going to take a while, so let's do a time lapse. That hurts. So it seems like we're building tension here, but doesn't seem like it's enough tension, so we're gonna keep on going until this thing just literally explodes. Is that all you can do? Faster. Faster. Come on, faster. Oh, faster, boy. Faster. Oh, son. Let's go. Let's go. Faster. 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 Come on. Don't stop. Okay, so it's kind of taking a while for us to put the rubber bands in there. So right now we're just going to let it sit. Probably smack it a few times so it can get soft. And then right now we're just going to be spreading the rubber bands like that. We're going to be placing them like that so it can just be quicker. Whenever we get the rubber bands, we already know which ones to get. Plus, our fingers are getting tired from putting all the rubber bands, so we're going to play a little trivia game. Hopefully this thing doesn't blow up on our faces while we're doing the little trivia game. I'll go ahead and ask you the first question. And the first question is a pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable? Vegetable. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give them the right answer, and let's see if you got the right answer by the end of this video. And no cheating. Don't go to Google or ask Siri. Don't cheat. We're just gonna smack it, see if that helps it get a little bit softer again. But pretty scared. I don't even want to touch this thing. Kind of does seem like it's gonna blow up. I don't know if you do that. Low battery. Should I stop recording? Or are you gonna play it? Try not to. Look, extend the orange. The orange. Oh! It popped! Wow, the minute the minute I stepped out of frame. The minute I stepped out of frame, the GoPro died, this thing popped, and I stepped out of frame. I wasn't here to experience it.
I just started hearing like something. I turned around. Look, a rubber ball.
Rubber bands almost hit me, I swear. I was standing over there.
We made a rubber ball. It's a perfect cut too.
It perfectly split it in half, like perfect cut. Did it taste good?
No.
I've never really tasted
Aren't you,
pumpkin like this.
are you supposed to cook it or something? I don't even know how you eat pumpkin or what it is.
I don't know, should I taste it?
Do you want to eat it?
Am I supposed to eat this?
I don't know.
I'm kind of disappointed that we weren't shot. But good news is, this ain't the only pumpkin that we have. We have another one! Yeah! I saved the pumpkin.
Alright guys, so this is the aftermath. Pumpkin Johnny here is still scared. He's still not dead. We could see his brains, spilled his brains on the floor. Still alive. You'll be good, buddy. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a big like. I know Johnny did. He enjoyed it pretty good. I know he did. Oh, dude. And about to comment down below about whether that was a fruit or a vegetable. Well, guess what, guys? Pumpkin is a fruit. I didn't even know that myself. Every day you learn something new. Anyways, thank you guys. I appreciate the love y'all show. That's it, guys. We'll see you next week. Let's go!